This is the way I wear my road tripping hat. I'm road tripping. I'm a road warrior. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode. I don't know if you already know by the intro or not, but we are gonna go cook some lunch. We're gonna hit the road, go to a nice little spot, get the drone going, get some B-roll going, and just have an awesome, awesome day by the fire. Okay, I can't wear it like that anymore. We have arrived at our destination. Look at how beautiful that is. There's like, I don't know, 10 stalls here, fire pits, and it's just beautiful. What are we doing today? We are making some kebabs. Kebabs? Let's make it. Let's do it. Let's start a fire. The fire is going. I'm excited. I've never actually made these before, let alone on a fire, which is quite exciting. Steak, chicken, these bamboo sticks, mushrooms, pepper, little tomatoes, olive oil, and some brushes. So what do? Just put the meat on and put the vegetables on and throw it on the fire? That's what I'm gonna do. See how they turn out. Do I even need to explain in words how awesome this is? Or can I just show you in video? I'll just show you in video. So what I think is happening with my drone is whoever said, hey Taylor, don't put it in rice because rice particles will get stuck in certain areas and it will malfunction your drone. I think that's exactly what's happening. So I think the disconnection problem is a little bit of rain damage. Sometimes it just disconnects midway in air and then it'll reconnect, so I don't really know. But I think that the gimbal problem, the shaking, is because there's little rice kernels in there. So I have kind of cleaned some things up and I'm gonna try it out again. And then if it doesn't work again, I'm gonna have to take this apart. And there's a bunch of little screws, so let's just try it. I think that actually worked. See the gimbal? Oh my God! Oh, by the way, guys, this is what I look like when I'm vlogging. That's what I look like. And that's why everybody looks at me strange. Okay, let's get some good footage. It works. It works. That just saved me $1,000 right there. Yes. All I did, like, remember those old Nintendo 64 games where you take it out and and that just worked. That's all I did. Oh. So you know what blows my mind? It's early February, well, mid-February in Canada. In Canada! We have the nicest winter weather in all of Canada. It's crazy. It just blows my mind. I've never made kebabs on a fire before. You know, I made steak, I made chicken. These are amazing. All right, let's go for a little walk that way. I want to go see those surfers. I'm gonna charge the drone up, bring the drone, and maybe get some more drone footage. So yeah, you guys get the idea, right? It's absolutely beautiful here. A great way to spend the afternoon. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Many more videos on the way. Keep living that dream. Until next time, bye-bye.